In question 1, we have a number of statements. We have these 8 statements that you see here, and for each of the statements, we have to specify whether the statement is true or false. So for each statement, I will help you visualize what that statement says through a figure, and then we will decide whether the statement is true or false. So the first statement is all rectangles are squares. So do you think this statement is correct or not? Well, if you take any general rectangle, the adjacent sides of the rectangle may not be equal, but in a square all the sides are equal. So all rectangles are not necessarily squares. So the first statement is false. Okay. Now let's go to the second statement. The second statement says all rhombuses are parallelograms. So what is a rhombus? A rhombus is a figure like this, which is basically any parallelogram in which all the 4 sides are equal. So by definition, a rhombus is a parallelogram. So the second statement is true. All rhombuses are parallelograms. Now let's go to the third statement. The third statement is all squares are rhombuses and also rectangles. So imagine a square like this, like the one I have drawn here. Now by definition, a square is a parallelogram in which all sides are equal. So a square is a rhombus, and also in a square all the angles at all the vertices, they are all 90 degrees. So a square is also a rectangle. So because all sides of a square are equal, it is a rhombus, and because all angles of a square are 90 degrees, it is also a rectangle. So the third statement, that all squares are rhombuses and also rectangles, this is also true. Now let's go to statement 4. Statement 4 says all squares are not parallelograms. So once again, imagine a square. By definition, a square is a parallelogram in which all sides are equal and all angles are 90 degrees. So this statement, statement D, is clearly false, because all squares, any square must also be a parallelogram. Alright, now let's go to statement E, which says all kites are rhombuses. Now what is a kite? Okay, here's a figure, here's an example I've drawn for a kite. A kite is a quadrilateral in which one pair of adjacent sides are equal and the other pair of adjacent sides are also equal. So we have one pair equal with each other, and the other pair of sides are equal with each other, but all the 4 sides may not be equal to each other. So all kites cannot be rhombuses, because a rhombus is a parallelogram in which all the 4 sides are equal. A kite may not even be a parallelogram. So the statement E is false. All kites are not rhombuses. Alright, now let's go to statement F. Statement F says all rhombuses are kites. What is a rhombus? A rhombus is a parallelogram in which all the 4 sides are equal. So a rhombus satisfies all the conditions of being a kite. We have one pair of adjacent sides equal. We have the other pair of adjacent sides also equal. So a rhombus is a special case of a kite in which all the 4 sides happen to be equal. So statement F is true. All rhombuses are kites. Then statement G says all parallelograms are trapeziums. So what is a parallelogram? A parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which both pairs of opposite sides are parallel to each other like this. And a trapezium is a quadrilateral in which at least one pair of sides should be parallel to each other. So because a parallelogram has both pairs of sides parallel to each other, it is a special case of a trapezium. So the statement in G, part G, is true. All parallelograms are trapeziums. And finally, let's go to statement H, which says all squares are trapeziums. So a square is a parallelogram, and we just saw in the previous statement that all parallelograms are trapeziums. So all squares must also be trapeziums. Specifically, because in a square we have both pairs of sides being parallel to each other, we can see that a square is also a trapezium. So statement H is also true. And this completes question number 1. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, Explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.